Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to add the chromatic aberration effect onto your CapCut clips. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to Media, click and drag your clip down to the timeline. Once you have it there, we're going to go up to Effects, Video Effects, scroll down to Lens and find the chromatic aberration effect. Click and drag it down to the timeline, and now we're going to elongate this effect to fit the entirety of the clip. With the effect being highlighted, we can go up to the Special Effects tab and mess with the lateral chromatic aberration and longitudinal chromatic aberration. I hope I didn't butcher that. So I'm not going to do that. I'm going to mess with the effect just how it looks like, and let's take a look. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.